I'm almost out of gas. I have like maybe 5 shots left.
I have none.
Yeah, this is going to work well.
Do you have it with you?
Yeah.
Okay. We have the core.
We have the core.
He's going after their other guys though. I can't get. We can't get around that building.
We need cover. We need someone to cover us. We need cover. But the only guy I have is a guy with a shotgun.
Yeah, saying I'm out of ammo altogether. Where's Matt? We need some cover.
I have like 5 shots left.
Right.
I can run out of shots.
Don't run yet, though.
Huh?
They got a guy right behind those 2 barrels right there.
This is not going to work very well.
No. We got the core, we just can't get to it. This dude right here.
Come here, that core.
They're covering, they got that barrel right there on the left. If not the building. I have no ammo.
I have 5 shots left.
He's got 5 shots, I have none. We have no other cover fire. Cover fire! Cover fire! We got, what's his name right there at the gray. Go, 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 go! We got the gray, we got the gray. Gray! Cover! 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 Keep cover! Keep cover! Keep cover! Go, man, go.
Whoa! On the other side! Damn! On the other side of the barrel!
No. Barrel, barrel, barrel! Go, go, go! Oh, wait. Fuck. Go! Hello, we got it! Fuck yeah, dude. Game over! You got it.
Game over. Take back out. Please, shotgun.